guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create a shadow text effect on CapCut PC. So there are two ways to do this. Just going to just like a background here real quick. Go to text and add in your default text here. Just adjust it till the end like so, and I'm just going to type in flight. I'm also going to change the font here. So you can either let me just copy and paste it here. Select it and go to shadow and enable it, and you can adjust the blurriness, the distance, the angle, and whatnot. For the second one, you're just going to color this the color of your shadow. Copy and paste that and place it to the right side. Right click, create compound clip, then go to effects and add in the blur effect here to the text. Can adjust how blurry you want it to be. I don't know why it didn't like blur it out, but that's pretty much it, really super simple. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.